What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how to match transactions in QuickBooks. It's going to be a quick one. We're not going to waste too much time on this video, so let's get started. The first step is to open the banking section. So from your QuickBooks dashboard, go to banking or transactions and select the bank account that you want to review. Step 2 is the review tab. So in the for review section, QuickBooks will suggest possible matches for your imported bank transactions. Step 3 is to check the suggested match. Click on the transaction to see the details and make sure the payee, amount, and date that they all match your recorded QuickBooks entry. Step 4 is to confirm the match. Now, if the details are correct, go ahead and click Match to link the bank transactions with your existing QuickBooks record. Step 5 is to handle no matches. Now, if there's no suggested match, you can create a new transaction in QuickBooks to link it manually. A pro tip: matching transactions regularly keeps your books accurate and makes reconciliations easier at month end. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.